Opening shot of a computer screen showing a YouTube channel with low subscriber count. Voiceover, are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel and increase your subscriber count? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to share some tips on how to quickly boost your subscribers and keep them engaged. Cut to host sitting in front of a camera. Host. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to increase your YouTube channel subscribers very quickly. But before we dive into the tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Cut to first key point on screen. Host. The first key point to increasing your subscribers is to create high-quality content that is both tempting and morally sound. Make sure your videos are engaging, informative, and align with your values. This will attract viewers who are interested in your content and more likely to subscribe to your channel. Cut to second key point on screen. Host. The second key point is to promote your channel on social media and collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. By sharing your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, you can reach a wider audience and attract new subscribers. Collaborating with other creators can also help you tap into their audience and gain more exposure for your channel. Cut to third key point on screen. Host. The third key point is to engage with your audience and create a sense of community on your channel. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. By building a strong relationship with your audience, you can keep them coming back for more and increase your subscriber count over time. Cut to host sitting in front of a camera. Host. So there you have it. Some tips on how to increase your YouTube channel subscribers very quickly. Remember to create tempting and morally sound content, promote your channel on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience to keep them coming back for more. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel. See you next time. End screen with subscribe button and social media links.